Morning. Should listen. Okay, the hum in the background is a supplemental heater we've got on because the heat lamps did not warm it up as much as they should have. But this is the sound of contented chicks when you can just barely hear them. I actually just turned the heat down a little bit. It was up at 72, although they're not minding. But if you come around the corner and you hear somebody screaming or a bunch of screaming, you know they're not comfortable or something's going on. But this sound is very reassuring. See, they're saying that heat lamp is actually a little bit warm because they're around the edge. If they were cold, they'd be huddled up right underneath it and sort of standing up tall, stretching. Okay, these are stretching a little, but not too badly. But they also sound contented, and they could get closer to the center. See how they're leaving sort of a hole where it's really warm? Well, no, they're getting right under it. But when I see these wandering around, I know they're okay.